I have a feeling that all of the unexplained events we're experiencing are the result of contact with other dimensions.
Other dimensions? Can you explain this so I can understand it?
Other dimensions, as in the multi-universe interpretation of quantum theory.
The multiplex universal quadraphonic. Who doesn't know about that?
God's not someone who rolls the dice.
What's that mean?
It's just a metaphor for people like you who don't believe in the uncertainty of a quantum world.
Okay, now you've completely lost me.
Let's suppose you roll a single die and it comes up a 6.
I prefer ones myself. They're more lucky.
All right, a 1 it is. So let's say you rolled a 1. But you could also have rolled a 4 or a 5. All the odds are exactly the same, do you follow?
I guess so.
But what if there were worlds where you rolled a 4 and a 5 as well?
Huh?
You see, there are countless worlds where your countless self is rolling countless amounts of dice.
What? Are you telling me that you believe this sort of thing?
Let me try to explain this to you. The tiniest elementary quanta that compose matter are just too small to be observed in their natural state.
So you're saying that the microscope to see something that small hasn't been invented yet?
Actually, there's more to it. In order for humans to observe these objects, we must hit it with light and look at its reflection. However, the quanta are almost the same size as the photons that create light, so hitting them with light has a large effect on the quanta we are observing.
Okay, I understand that part. You can't properly observe this stuff. But what does it have to do with these other worlds being out there? How does all that figure into this?
Not being able to observe them means that we can't tell what state the quanta are in at any given time. In other words, infinite possibilities will exist.
What the hell does that mean?
Okay, take grains of sand on a beach. Even though we can't see them all, they exist in every dimension, on every beach, but just maybe not in the same place.
So you're saying that although we can't see it, there's a possibility that it exists in other dimensions?
Take it further. What if those grains of sand were something else entirely?
Something else?
Yes. You see, all of the matter in this world, including you and I, are made from accumulations of these small quanta, but they don't have to be the same in each world.
Hold on a second. So you're saying that the location of these things isn't even definite. So I might not even be me, but I'm standing right here. And this table and that glass are all right in front of me.
I'm afraid that is where the theories of quantum physics become kind of difficult to explain. Even if existence is steadfast on an everyday macro level, The moment it's taken to the quantum micro level, its existence becomes ambiguous.
You're giving me a headache.
It's simple. If you believe this world consists of unstable quanta, then it's possible to believe that this entire universe is branching off moment by moment into infinite universes with unlimited possibilities.
So is that what you were talking about when you said there were other dimensions that are in existence where I don't roll a 1?
Whoa, this is trippy.
I should say so. We're in the robot chicken universe.
Will you guys move? You're blocking the TV.
Love it.
Hate it. Love it.
Hate it.
Brian? This feels weird.
Hit the button. Where are we?
This is Cohort, Brian. Same year, same time. But in this universe, Christianity never existed, which means the dark ages of scientific repression never occurred, and thus humanity is 1,000 years more advanced.
In quantum mechanics, there is a theory known as the multiverse interpretation, in which countless worlds are lined up in an endless row like opposing mirrors, where countless selves are rolling countless dice.
You seriously believe in all this multi-quantum universal crap, o.t.o?
Yes, as a matter of fact, I do. We call them alternate dimensions. In a quantum world, there is only one other coordinate that will transcend all of time and space. The equation that indicates that coordinate is proof of the existence of alternate dimensions, although its existence is strictly numerical.
Is there a possibility that we could travel to one of these places?
It might be possible if we could become a quantum existence. Becoming an uncertain existence to travel to an uncertain alternate dimension may theoretically be possible.
I feel like I have a bad hangover.
Look, a long time ago, people used to believe the sun revolved around the Earth. It took them a while to accept the truth. It just takes time. When something is ingrained in people's brains as common sense, it takes time to change them.
Yes, it'll take me a while. If the universe is really how you think it is, then what's gonna happen after this?
The stability of the quantum dimensions will be lost, and every dimension will expire, and everything will be gone.